Hi, this is Sam Lohman from the library. I'm coming to you from my basement, and today I want to show you how to use the MLA International Bibliography Database to find articles and book chapters and books on specific works and on specific authors. So I'm going to share my screen, and we'll start on the library homepage, library.vancouver.wsu.edu. And if we go down here to find articles, we can go by subject or databases A to Z. So if we go to article databases by subject, then we can see English databases. And we try to list the most useful ones first. So here's MLA International Bibliography. And this is a great database to use to find citations and articles on literature in any modern language. So it's great for literature classes and English classes. And we can just do a keyword search. So if I want to, I could search for Gothic literature. And I don't have to select a field or anything. I can just search. And I get a whole bunch of results, 700 and some results. But they're going to be all over the place, anything with the word Gothic and the word literature in it. So I can get a lot more specific and look for a particular author. If I select a field, over to the right of the search bar, and I can go down to primary subject author or primary subject work. So first I'm going to try primary subject author. And this is one of the only places where the order of words is going to matter for your search, and you do have to put the last name before the first name. So I'm going to search for Mary Shelley, but I'm going to put Shelley first, comma Mary. And this only matters when you're doing the search for the primary subject author. You do the last name first. And then I hit search, and I'm getting almost 2,000 articles that all have Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley as their primary subject. And I can also do this with a particular work. So let's say I'm not looking for stuff on Mary Shelley in general, but I'm specifically interested in a novel she wrote called The Last Man. I can do primary subject work and type in the title. And I'm not going to do the, I'm just going to put in Last Man. That's my primary subject work, and that's going to give me articles that are about the last man as the primary subject of the article. And there are quite a few of them. So then I can go and look through these, and a few of them will have the full text. Like here's one that has the full text, happens to be in Spanish. Here's another one with the full text, but a lot of these just have a citation, and then I'm going to use the Find It at WSU button to get to the full text. So thanks everybody for joining me to look at MLA International Bibliography, and please feel free to contact me if you have questions or need help with your research.